Introducing a new way to search in Brightspace Community. Click the new top navigation bar search icon, optionally change your place of teaching and learning, and search for content. Search within specific knowledge bases, for example, the Instructor Documentation Higher Ed Knowledge Base. Leverage our all-new Suggested Results functionality to find relevant content organized by category. Navigate to our redesigned search page and refine your search by choosing a content source, selecting a specific place of teaching and learning, and content category. You can also save and name your custom search filtering and retrieve it when you need it. Click Save Search to save your custom filtering, and click Save Searches and Results to apply the Save Search. Save a specific search result. Click Save for Later to save it, and then click Save Searches and Results to find it again. Preview search results directly from the search page by clicking Preview. And remember, you can now search for Brightspace video tutorials, developer documentation, and Brightspace Learning Center resources directly from the search page.